Hello, I'm Shanan Postacı and I'm a senior software engineer and researcher at SRDC, which was founded by a professional team of engineers in Ankara, Turkey in 2007. We have extensive expertise in large-scale software development, semantic web technologies, interoperability solutions, emergency management, big data analytics, business intelligence, and artificial intelligence. SRDC enjoys strong backing from the university for transferring the research and development efforts to the innovative industry and public administrations. We perform R&D activities both for developing brand new products and services and for innovative improvement of existing solutions. So we adopt innovation as our way to stay ahead and deliver real benefits to our business and customers. Being one of the key partners of the project, SRDC will mainly work on the integrated marketplace framework and collaborative business process execution. In this way, we will increase the visibility of the companies in the supply chain through a digital catalog manager. In addition, with the development of an accountancy service, we will provide insights into users' interactions with the project ecosystem. Finally, we are going to support third-party application developers to develop their own apps within this ecosystem. We see this project as a great opportunity to enhance our know-how in the smart manufacturing domain. With the knowledge gained in this project, we aim to initiate a new product range and consider the individual commercialization of these products. As a founding member of European Factory Foundation, we will support the project results in the long term for creating new revenue streams, generating new business opportunities, as well as maintenance of the final platform together with other members. So we will be working hard to contribute to the long-term sustainability of our ecosystem from both business and technical perspectives.